A group of us is in the middle of a 5-day spiritual fast. And one of the questions that keeps coming up is, how exactly do I fast? So I want to share just a little bit of information with you. If you're fasting with me, or if you're ever considering a fast, be sure to subscribe, because I have several videos coming out over the next few days about fasting that could help you on that journey. First, before you begin, pray, pray, pray. I cannot stress that enough. Fasting is simple, but it is not easy. It is amazing how quickly our flesh reacts when it does not get what it wants. You must start your fast by spending time with the Lord. If you're doing a longer fast, spend each morning and every night with worship, prayer, and reading God's Word. When you're in the middle of your fast and you start to get hungry, use that as a sign or a prompt to go read, pray, worship. Take a walk if you start feeling hungry. Do some light aerobics. The Lord will provide you with the strength that you need. If you accidentally eat something, don't quit. Don't give up. Just jump right back into your fast. You can do this. Okay, when you end your fast, end it slowly. You're going to be hungry, but do not make the mistake of just eating a giant meal, especially if you've been doing a longer fast. Okay, eat foods that are gentle on your stomachs. After my husband's 10-day fasts, what he does is he'll start with some bone broth. Bone broth is very nutritious, it's easy to digest. After that, he moves to sauerkraut. Sauerkraut has all those natural probiotics that prepare your body for the rest of food, and then he'll go to avocado. Avocado is a very filling, easy to digest food, and then he'll have his first real meal after slowly introducing those things. The last thing about ending a fast is you should end expecting results. You might not hear your answer from God during your fast, but you will hear from Him. It is a promise, and I want to read to you how I know that. Matthew 7:8 says, "Everyone who asks receives, and he who seeks finds, and to him who knocks it will be opened." James 1:5 says, "But if anyone lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives generously and without reproach, and it will be given to him." And John 15:7, "If you abide in me and my words abide in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you." I pray this journey's going well. Again, be sure to subscribe, comment, and let me know how you're doing.